So today the news I heard on the news today, all over the internet, all over Facebook, only one news you keep on seeing, and I keep on seeing one news all over the internet this morning. This morning on Friday, January 12th, 2024. The news I kept on seeing is Delta Airlines bought new planes from Airbus. Yeah, the news was all over Facebook, all over the internet. They posted the news. I don't know why I guess the people are so happy there because Delta bought 20 new jets from Airbus. The Airbus A350-1000, I think. Delta Airlines bought 20 new Airbus A350-1000 from Airbus. So the news was all over the internet. I guess the people were happy because the Delta bought those new airplanes. The news was all over the Facebook. Every time you try to do something, you see the news about Delta new jets. They bought 20 new jet from Airbus. So I guess Delta is running away from Boeing. Delta don't buy Boeing jet no more. They buy so Delta don't buy the Boeing 787. The Boeing 787, Delta only bought the Airbus jet. So I guess the people are happy. I read they also have an option. They have an option to buy for 20 more. They buy 20 and then they have an option for 20 more, I think. And then I say, Delta have money. Delta have a lot of money. In order to buy those jets, they're very expensive.